start to make the actual batter.
Come on, babies.
Willie's talking to himself.
Come on, babies.
Come on.
So, judges, some spiciness in the dessert round. It looks like Joe's not going to be able to get away from chilies even if he wants to this time.
Think about green pepper. It starts green and it turns a color, and as it turns, it gets hotter. So this is a hot pepper.
There I am trying to get away from the spiciness, and they bring it back to me. So I was like, okay, maybe it's a good thing that they're bringing it back to me. So I'm going to incorporate the jalapenos into the batter.
I think the Sharon fruit is a difficult ingredient. Unless it's completely ripe, it has quite an astringency. I would juice those suckers.